Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the YouTube app and signing in so your preferences sync across devices. Next, go to Settings and set mobile data usage to limit mobile data or choose 480p default. This reduces streaming bitrates without drastic quality loss. Once done, enable offline downloads, but only on Wi-Fi. That way, you preload important videos when connected, saving cellular data later. Make sure background play is restricted. This prevents hidden streams using data while you multitask. Now you optimize playback settings per content type. Choose 360p for short clips and 480p for most tutorials. Reserve 720p for detail when necessary. Use smart downloads or schedule downloads overnight on Wi-Fi to build a local library. This eliminates repeated streaming. Also, disable autoplay so one video doesn't chain into another, and turn off background data to stop the app from refreshing when idle. These steps cut Finally, set up monitoring. Use your phone's data monitor or a third-party app to track YouTube usage and set alerts at 80% of your monthly allowance. Make sure Wi-Fi assist or similar features are configured so the phone won't switch to cellular unexpectedly, and keep background refresh off. If playback still consumes excess data or behaves oddly, clear the app cache first, and if needed, reinstall the app. That usually fixes corrupted settings and restores intended data limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.